Hi, I am Jean-Pierre, part of the Google Web Designer team. I am going to tell you about a new panel we added to Google Web Designer, the Outliner. You can see it here currently on the left of the stage. The Outliner provides a quick grasp of the structure of a document and make it easier to select elements and navigate within the document. As you can see, it displays a tree view of the document with each node representing an element and branches that can be expanded or collapsed. Double-clicking on an arrow shows all its descendants. Each node shows the type of element, indicated by its icon, and a text to easily identify it, for example its ID, tag name, or text content. The outliner also shows which elements are currently selected. You can select also directly in the outliner. If you click while pressing the Command key on a Mac or Control key, you can add or remove an element to the current selection. Pressing the Shift key at the same time allows to select a range of elements, as long as they have the same parent. Besides helping with selection, the outliner helps navigating through a document. Clicking on this page takes me there, and I can see the page on stage. If you click an element, not only it gets selected, but you will navigate inside the parent of that element. You can also double-click on an element in the outliner, and it's equivalent to double-clicking on it on stage. Let's talk about filtering. The toolbar of the outliner lets the user filter which elements are shown in the tree. Clicking on one of these icons allows to show only images, for example, or text, or I can combine them by showing all the images and text that are in document. It's also showing their parents and ancestors, so I can easily where they fit in my document. If you need to filter more, you can type a string, and it will show you only the elements who contain this string in their IDs, text content, tag, or group names. You can combine it with a category to indicate, for example, that you want only the text matching the string. The outliner also shows me which elements are currently hidden or locked. They show as grayed out with an icon next to them indicating their status. In that case, they cannot be selected anymore. These icons allow me to make them visible or unlock them directly from the outliner. One more thing, the elements are shown in the same order as in the timeline. For users who prefer it in DOM order, an option in the Preferences dialog allows to change that order. That's all about the outliner. Thank you for your time, and don't hesitate to give us feedback about this new feature.